Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing Performance Food Group stock by analyzing their financial statements and dissecting their financial ratios so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. Let's get started with the model. This is a large cap company, 10 billion market cap, trading at $65 a share, and they have 156 million shares outstanding. Performance Food markets and distributes food and food-related products in the US. They offer a range of frozen foods, groceries, candy, snacks, beverages, cigarettes, tobacco products, beef, pork, poultry, seafood, health, and beauty care products. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. Free cash flow looks amazing. Negative 100 million to 60 million to 560 million to 800 million. Look at that growth. Pretty impressive. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. That grew from 40 million to over 400 million. Revenue is sales for the company, and that grew a lot from 2021 to 2022, 30 billion to 50 billion. Then it hit 57 billion in 2023, up a little bit in the trailing 12 months, only up 1% from 2023. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated a terminal value, which is all cash flows past year 4, that's 15 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital. We get a value of the company of $13 billion. We divide that by 156 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of $84. They're trading at $65, so they're trading at a 23% discount. It's a buy according to the model. What do you think? Do you think it's a buy or sell? Let me know in the comments. There are 14 companies in the same industry as Performance, and if they have a number in red, they're worse than the median. If they have a number in blue, they're better. They spent $300 million in CapEx, which is a lot more than the median and average. A debt-to-equity ratio of 1.2. For every dollar of equity, they have $1.20 of debt. They don't pay a dividend. 800 million of free cash flow. They rank third in market cap at 10 billion. Cisco's number one, 37 billion. Price to book and PE are pretty close to the average. A great price to free cash flow, below 13. One of the better ones on this list. Price to sales is also really attractive at 0.2. If it's exactly 0.20, that means their revenue will be 5 times their market cap. And look how much Performance is growing. Their 5-year annual revenue growth rate is 26%. Only company growing more is HG Foods. Here's their latest income statement. It doesn't look like they released second quarter earnings yet. Revenue is up a little bit when you compare 1Q23 to 1Q24. They're closing in on 14 billion. COGS 12.2 billion. So gross profit 1.57 billion. This type of company tends to have really low margins. Operating expenses 1.4 billion, so operating profit 150 million. They spent 57 million of interest on their debt, so their net income is 70 million, which is less than last year. They decreased their shares outstanding by 200,000. EPS is down 6 cents. It was 52 cents last year, now it's 46 cents. I ranked them 8 out of 10. Would I buy it? 7 out of 10. I think I would buy it. Even though I usually don't invest in this industry, their financials look pretty good. Ratio 7 out of 10. I gave them that high score because of that price to free cash flow. A lot better than the median. Financials look amazing, 9 out of 10. Their free cash flow is negative, and then it ballooned up to 800 million. And their revenue is up 90% from 2021. Really impressive growth. They must have done a big acquisition to grow so much. So let me know what you think. Give the video a like, subscribe, or comment below. If you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.